In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own custom themes in Anytype. Welcome to this quick guide on personalizing the look of your workspace. If you want Anytype to better match your style, your brand, or simply make it more comfortable to use every day, creating a custom theme is a great option. The process is straightforward, and once you understand where the theme file is located and how to edit it, you can make small or dramatic visual changes very easily. To begin, open Anytype on your computer. Once the app is open, look to the bottom left corner and click your profile icon. This opens the settings menu, which is where you'll find the customization options for the app. From the settings area, select Appearance in the side panel. This section shows the theme options you're currently using, along with additional appearance settings. Take a moment to look through this page so you know where everything is before making changes. Next, scroll down until you reach the Custom Theme section. Here, you'll see the option to export the default theme file. Click that option and save the file to your desktop. Exporting the default version gives you a safe starting point, which is helpful because you'll be editing a working template rather than building a theme from scratch. Now open the exported JSON file using a simple text editor, such as Notepad or TextEdit. You don't need any advanced coding software for this. Inside the file, you'll find color values written as hex codes. These control different parts of the interface, such as the background, text, and highlight colors. Carefully adjust the hex codes to the colors you want. If you already know your preferred color values, you can enter them directly. If not, you may want to look up hex color codes in advance so the editing process goes more smoothly. Make your changes slowly and keep the formatting intact, since even a small typo in a JSON file can cause problems when importing it later. When you're done editing, save the modified file with a new name. This is important because it keeps the original exported theme untouched, so you always have a backup to return to if needed. After that, go back to the appearance settings in Anytype and click the option to import a new theme file. Select the file you just saved, then choose it from the theme list. As soon as you apply it, you should see your updated design appear right away, and that's it. You now have a personalized Anytype workspace that reflects your own style. Thanks for watching and enjoy your custom Anytype experience.